Hi guys, welcome to the channel, the 4x4 window cleaner. In this video I just wanted to share what I think is probably the top washer sleeve and T-bar setup, or certainly one of the best window cleaning mop or applicator setups out there. Now obviously there's a lot of washer sleeves that can be used. This one by Unga, it's the Unga Ninja version. It's a good mop. But we know with a lot of these mops there's one particular issue, we could say, and that is the way that the sleeve goes on to the handle, and it creates this kind of twisting that you get. So as it makes contact with the glass and you're putting pressure on there, it starts to roll, and you can kind of lose a little bit of friction, scrubbing power. Now, one brand that's tried to kind of eliminate that or try and fix that issue is Maykker products. So it's a great window cleaning brand out there called Maykker products, and they've come up with a really good solution. So I'll show it to you now. So I think the Unga Ninja T-bar is very good, and you can use the Maykker products with this T-bar. So this is the new kind of improved version of the Maykker products handy sleeve. You can check out my other video because I talk about the Maykker products handy sleeve and how you can adapt it to fit on your WFP. But in this video we're going to look at how this new sleeve works. So unlike the old version, which had kind of like buttons that held it onto the bar, is now completely Velcro. So it's almost like a Velcro wrap, you could say. And I'd say that's an improvement because you can get a tighter fit on the bar that way, unlike the button version. So there's kind of a cutout here for where obviously the handle goes, and then you just try and wrap it around as tightly as you can. Like so. Okay. So that's as tight as that'll go on there, and you can see the profile is pretty slim. It's pretty tight to the bar there, so that's good. Maykker products do their own T-bars. They're a little bit chunky, so the profile is going to be bigger, and it's up to its preference really. But I like the more kind of low profile look. Now that's on there really tight. There's a couple of options that you can use. There's various sleeves that can go on here, but the one I'd say is probably the top sleeve out there to use is their hedgehog mop. So by Maykker, the hedgehog mop, and it comes with quite a good pile. So it's kind of like a microfiber material, but it's a very thick pile on there. It also comes with these kind of plastic bristles, like replicating like a hedgehog spine, I suppose, and that gives you some really good extra scrubbing power. So I use this a lot. I have smaller versions of this, and I use it a lot on residential work. Certainly first cleans, I use this a lot, and this particular model just gives you that extra scrubbing power that you need. So that will fit onto the Velcro. There's some other options that you can go for. So Maykker do these, which I think are called easy scrubs, and there's the white and then there's a blue. They used to do the bronze wool version, but because of production issues, lack of bronze basically in the world, they don't really make those anymore. So these fit on the ends, and you want to get it so it's that way round, like so, and on the other end, and that gives you the option of just having something extra to scrub the glass with. And then the actual sleeve Kind of want to get it centered, and then you can just wrap that over like so. So you've got your complete setup. So you've got your Unger Ninja handle, you've got your Maykker handy sleeve, your then your mop choice or your sleeve choice. This is the hedgehog, and then these little extra bits that you can add on. So this holds a lot of water. Now, for some people that might be a bit annoying. For others, it's going to be a bonus. I like applicators that hold a lot of water. Just can get a lot of work done basically when it holds a lot of solution. Yeah, so great product. Just other few little things that we could do with this setup. So just pull this back for now. Is you can take something like, so take that easy scrub off. You could put something like a walnut pad. So this is a cut down, this is a bit worn out, this one, but this is a cut down walnut pad, and you can put that on the end. Yeah, so you can try that out. That works pretty well. Again, it's going to give you a bit more scrubbing power. And I'll just remove this side. You can also, I've got a little bit of wire wool. Again, that's cut down from a pad. And that will also, you can just push that down onto the Velcro. And then put your sleeve back down on that. And again, it's going to give you more extra scrubbing power. So yeah, this is what I recommend as the top sleeve and T-bar combo. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.